Welcome everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn about the homeopathic medicine Arnica montana. Arnica montana is a homeopathic medicine. It is made from Arnica plant as shown in the picture. It is found in mountains. Arnica is famous for its unique symptom root cause, which is hurt. This hurt can be physical, mental, or emotional. All other ailments, problems are the results of this symptom or root cause. These can be muscle pain, stiffness, swelling, injuries, trauma, etc. Guys, this is a precise picture of this medicine. You can remember it in your mind by watching this video again and again. It will really help you get this medicine. This medicine can be used for other purposes also, but this is a brief and precise picture of this medicine. Guys, thank you so much for listening me. I will see you again with another medicine. Till then, please take care of yourself and your family. Bye.